हैंडशेक को कह के टाटा बाय बाय। हैंडशेक को कह के टाटा बाय बाय। कोरोना ने उसे भेजा अपने रास्ते। आप सभी को नीमा पटेल का वर्चुअल हाय हेलो नमस्ते। टुडे आई एम हियर to take you in a flashback of coronavirus. In early 2020, after a December 2019 outbreak in China, the World Health Organization identified SARS-CoV-2 as a new type of coronavirus. The outbreak quickly spread around the world. On March 22, between 7 a.m. and 9 p.m., India observed a 14-hour voluntary public curfew at the instance of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. The world has never seen a danger as grave as this. Even World War First and Second did not affect as many countries as coronavirus has done. At 5 p.m. on March 22, to express gratitude and salute to all the selfless work of essential services personnel like our doctors, nurses, hospital staff, police and municipal corporation employees. State authorities alert all through a siren and the entire country came out on their balconies, rooftops, gates and doors to clap, ring bells or bang utensils for 5 minutes. On March 24, the Prime Minister ordered a nationwide lockdown for 21 days, affecting the entire 1.3 billion person population of India. Due to lockdown, migrant workers, pilgrims, tourists, students and other persons are stranded at different places. Millions of migrant laborers were left in limbo, struggling to access aid to survive in a 6-week lockdown in the states where they work. In Surat and Mumbai, the migrants held violent protests demanding that they be allowed to go home with jobs and in many cases shelters gone. Many tried to make their way home on foot. Some did not make it, collapsing hours away from home after the hard trek, often without enough food or water. With the request of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, on April 5 at 9 p.m., people turn off their lights for 9 minutes and light a candle or a diya or even use the flashlight on one's mobile to mark the country's fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. In the early days of the lockdown, people experimented a lot. Even couldn't think of something better than entering their kitchens. People have been happily making the most of their time learning, cooking a huge variety of tasty dishes, and baking beautiful cakes and pastries. To get nostalgic feel, people use their smartphones to watch movies and web series on Netflix and also play games like Ludo King with their friends and relatives. As the lockdown brought about by the coronavirus shuts down schools and colleges, teachers and students enter a new world of virtual lectures and worksheets. E-learning poses a challenge to both teachers and students over technology and access, but it is keeping everyone busy with video lectures, which allows the potential of individualized learning. Takes rising corona cases and identification of hotspots, clad spring and summer season kept the residents in seclusion, taking away the festive mood which our diverse culture is known for. The pandemic has changed the manner of celebrating festivals all over the world, including in India. People recently observed many festivals such as Gudi Padwa, Bihu, Baisakhi, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, National Festival Independence Day, Ganeshotsav while staying indoors. In the absence of any vaccine, only our immunity will be able to protect us. Hence, it is the first and last weapon in the fight against coronavirus. This virus is highly immunogenic and a vaccine will indeed benefit the world. But till then, individuals need to protect themselves through SMS. That is, S is for sanitize, M is for mask, and S is for social distancing to tackle this spread. The world famous slogan Go Corona Go, given by Union Minister Ramdas Athavale, has proved its efficacy because of its widespread use. So, let's shout together, Go Corona Go! Go Corona Go! Stay safe, stay happy. Special wish to all of you. At last, I must say, social distancing wala, thank you.